Today, we have an exciting topic to talk about that spins around one of the greatest financial minds of our time. In this particular video, we'll be diving into the 15 rules of money, as taught by none other than the legendary investor, Sir Warren Buffett. Don't miss the 15th rule, as it is the soul of all the rules. Now let's begin. Rule number 1, make a budget. The secret to effective cash management is budgeting. A price range helps you to improve your earnings and costs and allows you to decide on your spending based largely on your financial goals. With the help of a list of all of your evaluated profits, start by fine-tuning your pricing and dividing them into significant and discretionary prices. Be sure to review and adjust your budget periodically to ensure that you live within it. Rule number 2, maintain a modest lifestyle. Keeping your expenses under control is one of the rules for maintaining monetary control. Spend significantly less than you make to avoid going overboard or amassing unnecessary debt. Don't succumb to the lure of hasty purchases and put your wants above others' wishes. You may build money over time by carefully choosing your investments and savings. Sir Warren Buffett is very frugal and suggests everyone to follow this practice. Rule number 3, consolidate high-interest debt. Your ability to advance economically may be hampered by high-interest debt, such as credit card debt and payday loans. Ensure that you pay off high-interest debt as soon as you can. If you want to repay debts in a methodical fashion and avoid accruing further debt in the future, think about using debt snowball or debt avalanche strategies. Do you use any of these strategies to pay off your debt? Or do you follow any of these rules of money? Do let me know in the comments and also press the like button in addition. Rule number 4, set up an emergency fund. For a stable economy, it's crucial to have an emergency reserve. An easily accessible savings account should have between 3 and 6 months' worth of living expenditures. You are able to handle unforeseen costs, like as healthcare expenses or vehicle maintenance, with the help of an emergency fund as opposed to taking out debts or using credit card debt. Rule number 5, for the years to come, put money aside and invest it. For long-term financial satisfaction, investing and saving are crucial. Assign a certain amount of your income for savings account and making investments. In accordance with your financial objectives and risk tolerance, you might want to think about investing in real estate, equities, or retirement funds. For the best chance of utilizing compounding, begin investing as soon as possible. Sir Warren Buffett always suggests us to save money and invest it in a diversified manner. Rule number 6, invest in a variety of different things. A fundamental concept in financial management is diversifying the investments you make, as Warren Buffett says. Diversification makes it easier to understand your danger and decreases the impact of power reductions from outside financing. Diversify your assets among several asset classes, sectors, and geographical locations to avoid placing all your eggs in one basket. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel to get regular financial updates. Rule number 7, continue your education in the field of personal finance. To properly manage the cash you have, you must have knowledge of finance. Maintain your personal financial education, paying particular attention to taxes, investing, and budgeting. Consistently seek advice from trustworthy individuals, such as financial counselors or reliable websites, and keep up with the most recent financial news and trends. You can also watch our channel daily to know the financial news and money earning and money saving tricks. Rule number 8, eliminate increasing lifestyle expenses. It's important to engage in battle against the desire to raise your standard of living as your salary goes up. Save your money and assets by foregoing unnecessary costs and inflation in your lifestyle. Maintaining a budget-friendly lifestyle will allow you to dedicate more of your income toward debt repayment, investments, and savings. Sir Warren Buffett has warned many times that an increasing lifestyle expense might end you in door of debt. Rule number 9: maintain an eye on how much you spend. Cash management requires careful attention to your spending. To track where your earnings goes and to pinpoint areas where you might reduce spending, keep a record of all your outgoing costs. You can easily and successfully monitor your spending with the aid of an assortment of budgeting tools and applications. Rule number 10: plan your financial future. You might engage in a road plan and maintain inspiration by setting financial objectives. Identify your financial objectives for the near, medium, and long terms. Your objective might be anything, such as setting aside money for an initial deposit on an apartment, wiping off college loans, or retiring earlier. Make sure your objectives are accurate, measurable, reachable, pertinent, and time-bound, and track your results often. Rule number 11: prioritize your retirement savings. Warren Buffett has said that retirement savings is the single most important investment decision you will ever make. Conserving money for retirement would need to be the top economic priority. Utilize the 401k and IRA retirement funds that have been given by your company or the personal retirement accounts that are readily available to you. Continue making contributions to your retirement savings to optimize your contributions and benefit from tax breaks and compound interest over time. Rule number 12: keep taxes in mind. Budgetary effects caused by taxes can be significant. Utilize tax-saving approaches, such as making contributions to retirement obligations, claiming permissible exemptions and credits, and being aware of the taxable consequences of different investments, while being informed about the general tax laws. Speak with a tax professional if you need to make the most of your tax situation and reduce your tax burden. Rule number 13: refrain from making rash purchases. Your financial ambitions can be rapidly derailed by irrational expenditure. In order to engage in mindful spending, avoid making impulsive purchases and give yourself enough time to decide if a purchase is necessary or not. Get rid of impulsive purchases and other forms of emotional spending, and instead make informed decisions that support your financial objectives. Rule number 14: spend money on your food and health. One of the best investments you can make is in your daily food habits and health. If you have a good health, then only you could work for long hours and earn money, or we can say that you could generate lump sum amount of money. And this could be achieved by eating healthy food and homemade foods. The restaurant foods are very costly and they eat up your budget completely. Avoiding restaurants will ultimately help you save money. Rule number 15: collaborate with those who match your points of view. Your social group can have a significant impact on your financial habits. Be among people that emphasize financial duties and share your aims according to of money. Holding each other responsible for attaining financial success, engage in debates about personal money, and exchange advice and tactics. Stay away from peer pressure to spend too much or to enjoy bad financial habits. Sir Warren Buffett always stays with Charlie Munger. You must also find a friend like Charlie Munger. That's all for today. Now you know all the 15 rules of money that you must follow to become a millionaire. Recommended other people these rules by sharing them this video. If you learned something new, then do subscribe our channel to get notified with more amazing videos. Also press the like button and comment below the next video you want. Thanks for watching.